Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through Wise application. So Wise is actually a platform, an online platform to transfer money worldwide without high, transfer fees. Okay. So the the conversion rates and the exchange rates are much better than local banks when compared to Wise. So that's an added advantage of using Wise to do your money transactions. So let's get into the video. So in order to use Wise, first go to wise.com. So once you go to their website, so all you have to do now is you need to create your account. All right, so you have to create one account in order to use the Wise account. So click on register if you are creating an account, or if you have already have an account, you just have to log in. So we've got a separate video on creating registering for an account on Wise. So if you need help with initially registering with Wise, you can check that out in our channel. Otherwise, what you can do, you can just log on. So I have already registered, so I'm just logging on to your account, to my account. So just log in with your password. So once you have set up your account, so this is what you will see. This is your whole, this is your, like your dashboard when you logged in. So once you have created the account, so here what are the things we can do? So you can send money. You'll have an option to send money. So that is to send money to other to other persons. So you can send money in your same currency. So for example, if I click on send money, all right, so what happens is you can send money from from your within the same currency, or in different currencies, like to different countries. All right, so you can choose the currencies that how you're going to send it, and also you can send it to different countries as well. And also you can send it within your country as well, so within the same country and same currency. And also you can send it to your fellow Wise users, like anyone who's having a Wise account, you can send it to their Wise account as well. So what we normally have to do is, before initiating any process. So firstly, once you have created your account, you have to verify your account. So in order to verify, all we have to do is add some money to your account. So that will initialize the verification process. Like, we have detailed in-depth videos on how to adding money and verification account in our channel, so you can check that out if you need help in details. So that's one thing. So first thing we'll do is just add in money. So all you have to do is just add money. So now, and also under your account, what you can do is you have the option to open various currency accounts. So you can open an account, like within Wise, you can open an account within your home country, within the currency of your home country, or you can open an US dollars balance account, or you can open another currency account. So for example, if you click on open here, you will see, so you can just open a balance. So click on balance. So we are going to open a new account on different currencies. So here, see, you'll have lots of currencies here, so you can choose any currency you want and open an account with that. And once you open that account, you can use that account to send money. Like, for example, I have Australian dollars and US dollars account, so I can use my any of these, like for example my Australian dollars account, and I can use this, and then I can add more money into my Australian account, like Australian balance account, Australian currencies. Or I can send it, and I can send it to anyone I want. I can, from this balance, so I can send it to I can send it within the same currency or different currency, or to different people, or any other, or Wise users, so anyone like that. So that's the that's another thing that you can do with Wise. So sending money to anywhere in any currency. All right, so next, so apart from sending money, you can also receive money using Wise. So what you can do is you can receive money into your any account here, like whether on your US dollars account or your Australian dollar account. So any account, you can receive amount. So you can get someone to pay you directly to your Wise account. So you can, like, send a request, like for example a payment request. If you click on request here, so this will generate, okay, and once you choose the amount to be paid, that needs to be paid to you, so you can just have to choose that, and then it will create a link that you can share with anyone you want, and they can just click on that link and pay to you. So that payment will straight away go into your Wise account. So it's pretty like easy. It's a pretty convenient payment method. And also, what you can do, you can pay yourself as well. So like for example, you want to transfer your balance to your local bank account, something. So what you can do, you can just send this money. Okay, you can just send your money to yourself, because your account will be linked to your bank account. So you can link your account, your Wise account, to your bank account, and then you can pay yourself. So your balance will be transferred to your local bank account. So that's another function of Wise, where you can receive money. Apart from sending, you can also receive money, and that's another function of Wise. So you can check that out. All right, and then next, if I go to the homepage again, so what you can do with Wise is you can use Wise. All right, and here you can use Wise. You see an option called cards here. So if you click on that, what you can actually do is you can order. Okay, you can order for a debit card, a Wise debit card, through the Wise portal. So you can use this card as your debit card, as your like how we normally use our bank cards. You can use this debit card to pay for your purchases like anywhere in the world, and the balance will be linked to your bank account, and it will be deducted from there. So it's pretty much very convenient, like our local debit cards. You can use this Wise debit card to make your purchases, like if you go anywhere around the world, and all you have to do is just have to order a card. And well, like again, we have a separate in detail video on ordering a Wise debit card, so you can check that out if you're planning to. So that one, so initially they will charge you a certain amount for the card. That's just a one-time payment. So once you pay that and get your card, and then you just have to you just have to top up, which means like add money to your Wise account, and then you're free to use your card for any purchases anywhere. So that's another function that of Wise. And here, if you click on recipient here option here, so here you can save all your recipients. You can add more recipients, like you can add up people on Wise. You can add their Wise accounts and everything. So if you're sending money to a Wise account, all you have to do is go to your account, and then click from which account you're going to send money. And all you need is the email address or the phone number of the Wise account recipient that you need. So you can use that to send the money. You don't really need any banking details. All right, so that thing. And also you can connect your Wise account to your other online platforms, like Upwork, and get paid to Wise. It's like, via Wise as well. So those are some of the functions of Wise which you can use it for. And then if you click on manage here, you can see all your account details. And you can what you can do, you can schedule transfers or automated transfers. You can set up a direct debits, and you can, as I said earlier, you can create like payment requests, so that people will pay you, and then you can receive money without bank details, which I said before. So you can like receive money via Wise accounts, so you don't need banking details. And you can also get your statements, like how you normally get your bank statements. You can also access statements or for your Wise account. So these are all pretty much that you can do with your Wise. Wise is pretty much handy and convenient. And also, as I mentioned earlier in this video, they have a better exchange rates and conversion rates for transactions, for especially for international transactions. So it's pretty much helpful and convenient. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. So thank you.